New Year's.
10!
911. It's me again. I need a cab. How did I get here? And I think someone put a mint in the back of my hair.
9!
Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. You were like drowning and then there was like this box that I could push and I would get free cable for a year. I would have definitely saved you and then I would just pay for cable.
8!
Just like one night. You know how long it took me to learn how to walk straight after that extra bone in my foot was removed?
Yeah! No! 7!
Woo! We're gonna live forever!
6! Old acquaintance forgotten. 5!
Have you seen Mark tonight? Doesn't he look totally hot? He's been like looking at me.
Ew.
Yeah, he's your cousin.
Yeah, you're related.
Not like only by blood.
4!
There we go. That's some good ones.
I look like the human embodiment of a fart. I look like if Bart Simpson looked at himself in the mirror as an old man.
I look constipated in that, but like whatever. I mean, I don't care.
3!
Hey.
Hi. He said hi to me.
2!
Let's not make the same mistakes again this year.
Yeah.
Totally.
I know that I get a little over emotional when I drink,
Yeah.
but I won't do it this year.
I'm not even gonna worry about trying to find a guy to make out with at midnight.
I am not gonna call 911.
Why?